Hey everyone, I'm Kim. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. Welcome to episode 4 of Nail Mail. So I have two packages I want to get into with you guys, so let's just jump right into the first one. This super cute pink box is from the Nail Culture Company, formerly known as the Nail Candy Company. So this is my monthly PR box from them. I am an ambassador. My code is going to be down below right by their website in case you guys are interested in anything you're about to see. So like I said, they were previously known as the Nail Candy Co. Now they are the Nail Culture Co., which I am loving the name upgrade actually. I like this one so much better. And also their packaging got an upgrade. The last two packages I got from them was just like the normal shipping packaging, and this is like this super pretty pink box, so I am loving that. When I first opened the box, they had like a thank you letter for ambassadors, so that was super nice. They have this super cute like wrinkly crinkly paper, and then the first thing that she sent me are these super cute gummy bear charms. So she actually sent these to me in a previous box, but that's okay. You can never have enough of these. There's so many cool and unique designs that you could do with those, so thank you so much for that. I am looking forward to using those. But now let's get into my favorite thing. I was so looking forward to these. So these are some super cute magnetic hearts, you guys. When I saw her like show these on her Instagram, I was like, oh my god, I cannot wait to get these. I was hoping she sent them. I'm so glad that she did. So the way that these work is that there's basically two parts. This here is a magnetic part, I should say, that you glue down to your nail, and then the heart itself has a magnet in back, so they stick to each other, and you can pop that on and off of your nail. So you could wash your hands, or you could switch up your designs as you want. I'm super excited about those. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but these are super cute. You could use them anytime, so I'm so excited that she sent them. I cannot wait to use them. So next thing she sent me are these double XL straight stiletto nail tips. I believe that there are 11 or 12 sizes in here, so she was really generous. I'm super hyped that she's carrying these tips now because I've used them from another brand, but I of course am hyped that I'm using them now from a brand that I'm actually affiliated with. So let me show you guys what these look like. They are so long, which is perfect because you could use these just as they are, like just as stilettos, or you could cut them down. And sorry, I'm like so clumsy. I dropped like 4 things throughout this whole video. But I like I was saying, you could cut these down to be like a really long coffin, or you could cut them even shorter to be like a square, which is super trendy right now. I see a lot of people doing like those really wide square tips, so I am excited about those. That was super. Did you guys see those go flying? I am so clumsy, but anyways, I'm super excited about those. I started to put them away, but that was when I wanted to like see how many were inside. So I believe it's 11 different sizes, so there are a lot of variety. Jumping right into the last thing she sent me, it's this super cute Playboy bunny glitter. It's a pink, kind of like shiny iridescent glitter. She also did send this to me before, and I still have to use it, so look out for that. And like I said earlier, I'm going to leave all the brands information down below. I'm also going to leave my affiliate code with them down there in case you guys are interested in anything you saw me open today. It's Kimberly15, but I will still put it down there in case you guys forget. They sell so many nice things, so much amazing nail art, not just what you saw today. So again, definitely check them out. Moving on now to package number 2. This is another brand that I am affiliated with, and it is Makartt. I'm super hyped to get into this Mariposa Mayhem collection, but let me first show you guys the one thing I got that is not part of the collection. So this is just like a regular pack of nail files, but these are the ones that have one rounded side. I don't know why lately I've been liking these so much more than the regular ones, so I believe there's 10 in a pack, and I'm gonna put the prices to everything down in the description box below. So that was just some nail files, and now we can get into this collection. So like I mentioned before, the name of this collection is Mariposa Mayhem. For those of you that don't know, Mariposa means butterfly in Spanish. You guys can guess why they gave it that name. The whole collection is based off of butterflies. I want to say when I filmed this video, this was Makartt's newest collection, but in the time between me filming the video to recording the audio, they have dropped a whole new collection. I believe it's called like Sweet Time collection. So just to give you guys an outline, I'm gonna be dropping this video today, obviously. Then tomorrow I will be doing a video where I'm actually using the Polygel Kit from this Mariposa Mayhem collection. The following video after that, I believe, is going to be the Emily Susanna video because I feel like I'm so behind on that. So I just want to get that out for you guys. And then you can expect the Sweet Time collection. So I just wanted to lay that out, give you guys something to look forward to. But let's just get right back to this collection, okay? So first, I'm going to be opening up this pack of nail decals. They have so many, there's so many stickers in this collection. I can't wait to show you guys. I was actually impressed by all the stickers. You guys know, as nail techs, we see these kinds of stickers so much, especially butterflies. They're kind of like oversaturated, but I thought these stickers were really unique. There was a lot of different kinds of animations. There was also a lot of different finishes. So like these, for example, were holographic, which I thought were really cool. And then they had some which looked realistic. They had some which were more cartoony. So I am really loving the variety that they gave. I'm just gonna let you guys take a look at these, and then we can get into the nail decoration kit. Moving on now to the nail decoration set. I'm actually loving all these decoration sets that Makartt is putting out now. They had dropped one with their Valentine's Day collection, and I believe they also dropped one with the Mermaid collection. I'm going to link the video in the cards if you guys want to see the Valentine's Day one, but I am loving all the variety that they're giving you, and they're really not that pricey either. So in this specific decoration set, you are getting first more stickers. I told you guys we are getting so many stickers in this collection, and these stickers are super cute just like the first ones, but they do have a little bit of a different animation. I especially like this all pink set back here, this all pink sheet. I feel like you could do something so cute with that. And then moving on to the rest of the stuff, I love that you get it in this like plastic container because you could definitely use this for something else. And in this container we are getting 12 little pots. Half of them are going to be glitter and the other half are going to be these super cute butterfly charms. I think these 3D butterflies are so cute. I have used them before and I'm excited to use them again. So in these little pots you get a couple of solid ones and then you get some iridescent ones, and then in the glitters you kind of have like a mix of colors. Some of them just have butterfly glitters and some of them have some other kind of just little glitters mixed in. So I am going to go through them one by one just so you guys can take a look at the cuteness, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, and moving on, we are going to get into this Mariposa Mayhem 6-color gel polish set. So I just wanted to take a moment and really admire the packaging. Makartt has really been doing it up when it comes to packaging lately. I didn't really talk about it also with the nail decoration set, but I find it so cute. Even these butterflies are like different than the ones on the stickers, you know, so it's like I'm like getting my butterfly life, you know. So yes, I'm gonna get into these 6-color swatches for you guys. I absolutely love these gel polish colors. I have to say, you guys, I'm so impressed because Makartt has really been dropping a lot of stuff lately, and you would think that maybe like the quality or the, you know, cuteness or the just like, you know, that maybe it would diminish or maybe you wouldn't get, you know, that really uniqueness that you're getting from them, but really they have not dropped the ball, I feel like, because these colors right here are so nice. I cannot wait to show you guys, and really just by looking at them here, it doesn't do them justice. Like, you guys have to see these swatches. Starting off first with the consistency, I really like it. It was like really light and fluffy. It's a little hard to explain. Usually Makartt's gel polishes are a little bit thick, but this was a nice change. I also really like the shimmer that it's in it. It's really subtle. It almost makes you feel like the polish is going to be chunky, but it's really smooth, really light, and the shimmer is so nice. It's almost like they put this really fine glitter in it, but it's the same color as the polish. I absolutely love the effect. So this first beautiful blue is called Inspire. This next color here is called Hope. This one is Wisdom. This one is called Strength. This one right here is my favorite. It's called Innocence. And this last one here is called Passion. This one actually is the only one that was a little bit chunky, but I didn't really mind too much. It's still a beautiful color. And here those colors are after a second coat and some top coat. Like I said before, I love these colors. I think this color scheme is so nice. I cannot wait to use these. Last but not least, we are going to be getting into this Mariposa Mayhem Polygel Kit. So again, I am loving the butterfly packaging on this. It's coupled up with Makartt's new packaging as well, with the black and white and this slide out sleeve. So let's take a look at what's inside. So starting off first underneath, you have a set of dual forms. So you usually get dual forms with every Makartt Polygel kit. In these dual forms, you get 2 different styles. You have like this shorter, more curved style, and then you have like a longer, flatter style. So if you are into dual forms, those are perfect. You also get 2 other sheets of nail stickers. I told you guys we are getting so many stickers in this collection. And I forgot to show you guys, we also get another little container of 3D butterflies and a container of glitter. I forgot to show you guys, and it's weird that they put that also in the Polygel kit. Well, not really weird, because I'm realizing that they sell these things individually. So if you don't end up getting the whole collection, you still get some 3D butterflies and glitter in the Polygel kit, which I think is really nice. So also, as usual, you get the 100-180 grit nail file in here. You also get the dual-ended tool, which for some reason was so hard to open at that moment. So yes, you get one side a brush and the other side is a spatula. You're also getting your base coat and your top coat. And of course, you have your 4 polygels that I am going to swatch for you. So this first one here is called Wings. The second one is called Rebirth. The third one is called Chat Up. And the fourth one is Morpho. Here is what they look like all together, and here is what they look like after being cured for 60 seconds. I think these colors are so beautiful. Makartt did a really good job choosing the specific colors for the Polygel Kit and really for the whole collection, like the nail polish set. I think the colors were spot on as well. There's something about the glitter in both that's really like luminescent, really like shiny from within. And when I think of butterflies and their wings and how beautiful they are, it's kind of like the same sentiment. So again, they did a really good job there. Really, I feel like they did a good job with the whole entire collection. I thought it was really pretty, really cohesive. I feel like they took something that was kind of oversaturated in our field, which is the butterfly, and really elevated it, gave us like the best of all the butterfly stuff and put it together, and I really appreciate that. I had fun opening this. I was looking forward to it and it did not disappoint. So hopefully you guys tune in for my next video where I'm actually going to be using this stuff to create a nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox it. I also hope you guys enjoyed seeing that stuff from the Nail Culture Company. Again, all the links and info are going to be down below. As always, my name is Kim. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!